Want to know how to make your very own Oreo chocolate hearts? Stay tuned for the rest of this video and I'm going to show you how. Okay, first you want to go ahead and grab you some chocolate, and I prefer the Meltums, or you could prefer whatever chocolate that you choose. I got these from Walmart. Okay, they were on sale and it is in the color black, although it's really not black, but it's gonna be black enough today. Okay, and I am using the double boiler method. Now all these meltables can be used in the microwave, so you don't have to do what I'm doing. I just prefer it this way because these wafers are very easy to burn, okay, in the microwave. So if you don't know that, now you know. Okay, make sure you keep stirring, keep that heat on low, and when you're done, this is what it should look like. Okay, and I told you it wasn't all the way black, but hey, I ain't got the mix in for that to make it black as I would like. But anyway, so I grabbed some chocolate Oreos, okay, and I got me some sprinkles. I have me a Valentine Day inspired mold. I thought these gold sprinkles would look good on the outside of them. And yeah, they turned out to be okay in the end, and you will see. I am just basically moving the sprinkles out of the way of the actual letters because I don't want them to get messed up. So I take my time doing that step. I'm going to fill the rest of these up with the chocolate that I melted on the stove, as you can see, and we're going to fill them up partially, you guys. And then we're going to put in our Oreo of choice in the middle of this heart, and then we're going to fill that heart mold all the way up, and we're going to do each one of these the same exact way. You can choose any color, you can choose any type of Oreo you wish. This is a very fun activity to do, especially you're into making treats, and you can also get the kids involved to help you out a little bit. Okay, so easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, so you just see me gonna do this on repeat, and then here we are. This is what it looks like halfway filled, and I'm gonna go and fill them up off camera. Now moving on to the next flavor, and this is the light green Meltums. I'm gonna use my mint Oreo cookies to go into the center of these, and I kind of wanted to do a theme type of thing. Depending on what kind of Oreo I chose, I wanted to stay on theme, match the colors and all that good stuff. I also got these sprinkles from Walmart. Don't y'all come for me, because I still shop at Walmart and I get you. Trust me, I get you. But anyway, these Meltum bags I got from Joann's. And yeah, this is how they came out, you guys. I think these are so cute. I like to call these like imperfect hearts, okay? And they really did turn out pretty cool looking. I see that my golden glitter actually sort of stuck to the chocolate, and the green and white glitter stuck to the green chocolate. And these are some of the few that I've also made afterwards that I didn't show you. But I got some flowers, you guys, and they're so cute. And I have some pink and white ones specially themed for Valentine's Day, but you can make these on your own. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and share your comments and really engage, because I put my good effort into it for you guys. All right, until next time, stay blessed and beautiful. Peace.